this is Dhruvi here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am not going to review any product nor going to say anything about the product because I have experienced this just like you guys. If you are watching this video, then you must be definitely for sure to know how to use V-Wash and what's the use of it, because when I was thinking to start V-Wash, I was wondering like how to use. I don't know anything about it, but I know is that it helps your intimate area to maintain the balance of pH level. And my parents, like in that era, people were not using such products, so I was like whom to ask. But then I just asked my friend and got to know that this is the way we use it. So this is the product. This is V-Wash and V-Wash Plus. This is travel pack liquid wash 20 ml plus 5 wipes, and it says pH 3.5. sorry for the noise because outside there is a lot of noise. I don't know why, but yeah, it says expert intimate hygiene. Okay, before that, if you're wondering what is here, then I fell down few days back. That was the reason I was irregular on my uploading of videos, and I didn't shoot any videos because I got 2 stitches and it was paining like hell. But now it's all good, all fine, just a minor thing left. So I guess this will also go within 1 or 2 weeks, so till that bear with this. Yeah, okay, now we'll just open this product. Okay, so we have these wipes. I have used this product little but not more. So this is the bottle. This is small little bottle because this is a travel pack, and it says pH 3.5. yeah, this is just a normal bottle. So the best way to use this, like it is only one way. So what you have to do is just open this cap, take this product on your hands, and it is like a liquidy product just like your face wash, and you have to just add little water, and even if you don't add water, it's fine. You have to just smudge it over your hands and apply on your genital areas, and you don't need to worry about that, like what if it goes inside and something happens. No, it is just like a face wash, and like a normal soap or a face wash you have to apply, and you don't need to worry because it is specially for your genital areas. And this is really nice. It makes you feel like it is literally different. If you feel that it is really costly, then you can take this small package which is of rupees 85 only. So for trial pack you can use this, and use this like post waxing or post shaving your genital areas. It really helps you. Like I started using after I started shaving my intimate areas, and this is amazing, trust me. So this is how you have to use it. This is just a normal simple liquid which you can use just like a face wash or a normal body wash. Yeah, that's it. I know it is a simple silly video, but I felt it will be very useful for many of the girls just like me. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And what other videos you would like to see, do let me know in the comment section, and do follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that was all. Bye bye. See you in next video.